Subject English. Standard 4th. Hello students. I am Elspeth Sibi and today we are going to learn comprehension prose. Read the passage given below and answer the questions. Students, first let us read the passage and understand the passage and then we will answer the following questions. A visit to the hospital. Mrs. Mehra, who lives on the fourth floor of a building, met with an accident. As she got down from the bus, a car hit her. She was admitted to the Mahatma Gandhi Hospital. Students, this is a passage for you. Now, let us first understand the story line by line. Mrs. Mehra, who lives on the fourth floor of a building, met with an accident. Students, here is the building image. Mrs. Mehra lives in the fourth floor and she has met with an accident. As she got down from the bus, a car hit her. When Mrs. Mehra was getting down from the bus, a car came, hit her. She was admitted to Mahatma Gandhi Hospital. She met with an accident and very soon she was admitted in Mahatma Gandhi Hospital. All the children in the building, including Jaya, Ramesh, Meera, Hema, Rajesh and I missed her. We called her Dadi and liked her very much as she told us stories and gave us sweets to eat. Meera's father took us all to the hospital in his jeep. All the children in the building, including Jaya, Ramesh, Meera, Hema, Rajesh and I missed her. So, in our building, we are friends with everyone. They called her Dadi because everyone liked her. She told stories. She also gave sweets to Jaya, Ramesh, Meera, Hema, Rajesh. Everyone missed her. We called her Dadi and liked her very much as she told us stories and gave us sweets to eat. See students, she is Dadi and her name is Mrs. Mehra. And see how the students are listening the stories. Very quiet and calm. Everyone liked her very much. She told stories and also gave sweets, which was very tasty. Mira's father took us all to the hospital in his jeep. When the news came to the building, the children were very shocked. Everyone missed her very much. And who took them to the hospital? Mira's father took everyone to the hospital to see her health, how she is. All the children collected flowers from the garden and made a nice bouquet. Jaya's mother helped us and we gave it to Dadi. She was very happy to see us. Come children, sorry I can't give you any sweets, but whoever wishes can share my medicines. She joked. Her right leg was fractured and was in plaster. All the children collected flowers from the garden and made a nice bouquet. See the love of children. She told stories and also gave the children sweets. Everyone liked her. When they heard the news that she met with an accident, all the children collected the flower from the garden and made a nice bouquet to give her. Jaya's mother helped us and we gave it to Dadi. She was very happy to see us. Come children, sorry I can't give you any sweets, whoever wishes can share my medicines, she joked. To make the bouquet, the children alone can't make it. So Jaya mother helped them to give it to Dadi. And Dadi, the grandmother, Mrs. Mehra, was very happy to see the children. Then she said, "Sorry, I can't give you any sweets. I can share my medicines." She joked. She's in hospital. She don't have any sweets in the hospital. So she joked by saying, "I have a lots of medicines. If you want, I will share that." And she was very, very happy to see the children. Her right leg was fractured and was in plaster. When she was getting down from the bus, the car hit her and her right leg was fractured and was in plaster. See my image? How the plaster is there in her leg. "When will you come home, Dadi?" Ramesh asked. "After 10 days, replied Dadi. We told Dadi all about Hima's birthday party, what games we played and what snacks we ate. As the children visited the hospital, Ramesh asked Dadi, "When will you come home? We are all missing you. We are missing your stories and also the sweets." So Dadi said, "After 10 days. Then the children shared about Hima's birthday party, what games they played, and what snacks they ate. They had a conversation with each other. At 6 o'clock, a nurse came in. She said, "Sorry, children, time is up. You have to go now." We were sad, but Dadi had to take a medicine and then have a dinner. So we left her and came home with Mira's father. We planned to give Dadi a small party the day she comes home. So when the children were sitting in the Mahatma Gandhi hospital, in the hospital, the guests are not allowed more than an hour to sit in the hospital or with the patient. So here the nurse comes at 6 o'clock. She says, "Sorry children, time is up. It's the time you should go now." As Dadi, the grandmother, wants to take a medicine and also she should have a dinner. So the children left with Mira's father in the jeep. They left and they were also planning to give Dadi a small party after she comes home. Students, I hope you understood my passage. Now, let us see answer the following questions. On which floor does Mrs. Mehra live? Answer. Mrs. Mehra lives on the 4th floor. Second, what happened to Mrs. Mehra and how? Answer. Mrs. Mehra met with an accident as she got down from the bus. A car hit her. Third, where was she admitted? Answer. Mrs. Mehra was admitted to the Mahatma Gandhi Hospital. Fourth, what did the children call her? Answer. The children called her Dadi. Fifth, why did the children like her? Answer. The children liked her as she told us stories and gave us sweets to eat. Sixth, who went to see Mrs. Mehra and how did they go? Answer. Jaya, Ramesh, Meera, Hema, and Rajesh went to see Mrs. Mehra. Meera's father took us all to the hospital in his jeep. Seventh, what did the children give Dadi? Answer. The children collected flowers from the garden. They made a nice bouquet and gave to Dadi. 8. What did Dadi tell the children? Answer. Dadi told, "Come children, sorry, I can't give you any sweets, but whoever wishes can share my medicines. Ninth, when would Dadi come home? Answer. Dadi would come home after 10 days. 10th, what did the nurse tell the children? Answer. The nurse told the children the time is up. You have to go now. 11th, what did the children plan? Answer. The children plan to give Dadi a small party the day she comes home. Students, I hope you understood the comprehension. Thank you.